unveiling of the cover, which is Society Interiors and Design. And of course, as usual, we all gather here for this beautiful occasion, celebrate together, and make some memories and go back home. And yes, it has an embarking and memorable experiences ingrained in our minds and in our hearts forever. Ladies and gentlemen, I also want to congratulate the entire Magnet Publishing for coming out with yet another amazing cover, yet another amazing stories in the magazine, and I wish them all the very best and keep flying high as always. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little. Sorry, the lights are not very good. I've just been given the script, so. Well, about the Society Interiors and Design, let me tell you this: it is the most widely followed magazine by the architect, interiors, designers, and realtors. Yes, I can go on and on about this, but let's not take any more time. So without any further delay, ladies and gentlemen, let me call upon Ashok Dhamankar to please come up and to join me here. Well, the dynamic person who's behind this beautiful magazine, and of course the Magnet Publishing that we call, the powerhouse, who's the mind, who's actually the inception. He's everything. He's the one who's taken the reign and gone forward with the entire team. Well, along with him, I also request Swati Bali, the editor of Society Interiors and Design, to please join us. Well, as we said, this is going to be an amazing time. Yes, this is the unveiling of the cover. The cover has two lovely duos, and those duos need no introduction in the architectural world. They have they have done marvelous job across. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they are the star for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Ketan and Manisha Seth. Well, they are from the Gold Mine Project Consultants, and whose projects have been all across. And of course, they have the duo who is actually featuring and glittering on the cover here. So congratulations to you both. Well, now let's move further, and I would like some more people to join us. I would like to call Mr. Jitendra Mehta to please join us for the unveiling. Oh, hello, sir. Hi, nice to see you. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to welcome our chief guest for the evening, and this is none other than, well, this is the favorite one, and of course, the Padma Shri, the 5 National Award winner, a storyteller like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a talent powerhouse, dynamic personality, and of course got a mind of his own. Please help me welcome Mr. Madhur Bhandharkar. Well, welcome Madhur. It's a beautiful evening and I want you to grace this evening with us. So if you can just do the honors, would be fantastic. Can you do the unveiling now? Yes. And here we go to the entire media personalities here who are present and the entire fraternity of media. There are a lot of other members and guests and friends who have come here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call the Society Interior and Design Magazine. Fabulous. Well, congratulations and yes, congratulations to each and every one who has put in a lot of efforts, and this is a hard work to to reap in. Let's have some picture. Well, it's now time to actually see the magazine in the real presence, how it looks like, the glittering magazine in the real presence. Yes, let's unveil the magazine now. And to do this so, along with you all, I'd like to request Priya Kama, the entire Magnet team, in fact, if they are here. Andrea, yeah, she's right here. Please join everyone. Let's just have the magazine together. We also have Shivendra, Sunil, Geeta, please. Breathe. Well, this is how the magazine looks like. Let's have a good picture for the entire media fraternity who are present here, the entire faculty who's present here. Thank you. जो भी थोड़े बहुत लोग बैठे हैं थोड़ी तालियां बजा देंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा ना थोड़ा सा. हमने अनवीलिंग पे नहीं किया, अभी तो चलिए मैगजीन पे तो कर ही सकते हैं. Thank you to each and everyone. Thank you. Well, we have Manisha Seth.
सामने सामने ये सर 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 हाँ एक सर
And we have Ketan Seth. Congratulations. Mr. Jitendra Mehta, thank you for being here.
And now we want to felicit Madhu.
And ladies and gentlemen, you know what we call the favorite, our favorite, a storyteller like no one. Well, a national award winner, Padma Shri. Oh my God, this man doesn't know how to stop. This is Madhur Bhandarkar. I like this. Whoever is doing and clapping, I really like you all. I really like you all. एक drinks इनको दे दो. Double pack बनाओ. डालो. जिसके भी खाते पे जा रहा है ये डालो. No, Madhur, you're always everyone's favorite and my favorite too. We are friends, we know each other, and we've been acknowledging. But the fact that he's such a great guy in terms of as a friend, as a human being, I keep on meeting. How do you feel here to be here?
Yeah, it's an excellent thing. It's quite. I am so happy, and never expected this to happen, but it has happened. So thank you so much, Ashok, and entire team of Society.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Well, you have been in this industry for actually 3 decades or more than that now. So what is the significant shift that you have witnessed in the way spaces are imagined and built in India?
Yes, there is a huge difference which has happened when we started, when we entered into this industry. It was quite basic kind of working was there. We had a very limited material to select out for whatever, whether we talk about interior project or exterior project. So there is a major shift has happened. Earlier we used to work with very limited materials, which as I just mentioned, and now there is a huge variation has happened. Earlier we used to do only just making sure that whatever arrangement has to be happen within the house or within the building, we were doing only that. Now technology also has a played very important role. And this technology has gone in everywhere, whether it is via BMS, we are talking about building management system or home automation. So there is huge variety of material is also available. That's a major, basic and major difference which we are seeing right now.
Very nice, very nice. So you actually, you know, there's another question that I have for you, which is, well, you're known for your unique design concept and signature narrative style. So what exactly motivates you, you know, to your creative process, or how do you translate that vision into reality?
See, we always say in our office, we say we energize spaces. And to energize spaces, we get a lot of inspiration, not only from our own work, but we keep seeing work from different people, different designers and architects. And nature is one of the biggest source for us for the inspiration. And one more inspiration we get is from Society Interiors, because they keep getting so many projects in the magazine, and we see
nice,
all
how
those
nice.
magazines. Yes.
So I can also say there is another inspiration which is next to you,
Yes,
no?
of course.
Well, in the
Not
sari,
only
the
on
sari.
my-
Yeah. All right, let me
That
just.
inspiration is 365 days.
365 days. I hope it's the right and the heavy one because, you know, that's really working and that's why you're on the cover right now. Well, also tell me, how do you balance your creativity with business strategy in a design-driven company?
See, as such, we are in the industry from last almost 30 years, 30 plus years. So we have learned with the time. So it is not that we are putting any specific efforts to do that. Because of this, so many years of experience, we are balancing quite well. And our entire team is also very supportive. So I think so that is the biggest thing what we are doing.
Very nice, sir. So nice to hear from you. Now I'd like to call upon the inspiration, the true inspiration. If you can just give her the mic.
So the major inspiration is also coming from here.
Yeah, looks like the inspiration. Of course, it has to come from here. Well, tell me a little about your creative collaborator. How do you exactly complement with each other's strength, and what is what has the energy brought to your project and your company culture?
Like there are the ethics always comes from the CEO. So like our chief designer, he is the inspiration for all.
Well,
of
he
us.
says you're the inspiration.
Yeah, because he just finished his milestone birthday, 60, but he is unstoppable. So like he's the major source of inspiration. So like we all look up to him.
So publicly she announced that I have done 60.
Oh God.
Everyone I am 50, 50, 50.
So sir, oh, I didn't want you to even say this. Menenika, Suni, Menenika.
So there are many things which we learn from him. Like he always say that creators don't complain and complainers they don't create. So
So
like
nice.
as a creativity, as a creative company, like we always focus on good points, like solution always. We see always solution, not the problem.
Very nice, very nice. You want to say something else? Because since you're here, your project is actually featured in the magazine. Is there anything else?
Yes, no,
There is a media faculty present here, friends, family,
We
everyone.
just want to share our truly our great. We are so grateful to Ashok ji, Sunil ji, Swati, the entire team of Magnet for giving this opportunity. We are truly
They're
grateful.
family. They are very sweet people, very encouraging, very motivating people.
We are
But
very
thank you.
grateful, very
You're looking lovely, and sir, though turning 60 is looking very nice. Still say that you're 50. You can pass off at 50. Well, thank you so much, and congratulations once again. Now, Madhu.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody, and all my friends, guests, all the media person. Thank you to being over here. And बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अशोक जी का जो मुझे यहाँ पे हमेशा बुलाया. Ashok is a very hard-working guy, known from last almost 20 years. He's worked really, really hard, and I'm really happy the way he's created his whole team. And मैं केतन भाई, उनकी वाइफ सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि आपने इतना अच्छा जलवा किया है इसमें.
Aha!
So I think that's really credible. And Ashok, thank you so much, always inviting me and always be over there for me. चाहे हम लोग कितने भी मेरी पिक्चर हो या प्रमोशन हो, he's always there. And he's a dear friend. And मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब भी मुझे बुलाता है. And best wishes to the entire team. और मैं मिसेस दामनकर को बुलाना चाहूँगा यहाँ.
मैं जानना चाहूंगी कहाँ है मिसेस दामनकर?
नहीं हो.
अच्छा हाँ. बट मधुर, हम अपने जलवा के बारे में बात कर चुके हैं. आप बात कर चुके हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में. कुछ बताइए, कुछ है ग्लिम्सेस जो हम नया इन फ्यूचर देख पाएंगे?
मैं लिख रहा
नहीं,
हूँ.
मुझे पता है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है.
नहीं मैं लिख रहा हूँ, तो मैं जैसे कंप्लीट करूँगा तो बताऊँगा जल्दी. और बड़ा ही अच्छा
रिवील नहीं कर सकते ना
अच्छा-
हम, एक्चुअली उसको ऐसे
अच्छा
अंडर
सब्जेक्ट
रखते
होगा,
हैं.
अच्छा सब्जेक्ट होगा, हार्ड हिटिंग होगा, रियल होगा. जो लोग उम्मीद करते हैं, जो लोग मुझे चाहते कि मधुर इस तरह का फिल्म बनाए, इस तरह का हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म बनाए, तो जितना लोगों ने प्यार दिया है चांदनी बार से लेकर अभी बबली बाउंसर इंडिया लॉकडाउन तक, वैसे ही प्यार मेरी आगे की फिल्मों को तो मैं यही उम्मीद करता हूँ. और आप लोग ऑडियंस हैज ऑलवेज बीन वेरी ग्रेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेटिंग success, in terms of the box office and national award, Padam Shri, everything, and the love they always give.
Wow. So to get all of this, who's the motivation?
Who's the motivation?
You've got to tell.
Ganpati Bappa.
Well, all the very best, Madhur. I really hope that you come out with some very sparkling content. We are really eager to watch what you have in store for us, because I know it.
Thank you,
I
Rupali.
know
Thank
it.
you so much.
Thank you so much for being here. But well, now I request Ashok, Madhur, please be on. Join us a little more. You guys can now take your seats. Thank you so much. She has worked in various films and, of course, is now ruling the Gujarati industry at the utmost power. Congratulations and more power to you, girl. Gujarati, Jai Shri Krishna. You want to say a few words?
આમ તો બધા ગુજરાતી અહીંયા આવ્યા છે એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં જ વાત કરવી જોઈએ. બધાને મળી લીધું મેં. પણ થેન્ક યુ સો મચ મને ઇન્વાઇટ કરવા માટે. સ્પેશિયલી હું આજે મળવા આવી હતી મધુર સરને, બીકોઝ મને એમણે કહ્યું કે મધુર સર અહીંયા આવે છે. સો થેન્ક યુ રામ સર, मुझे यहाँ बुलाने के लिए एंड बेस्ट विशेस टीम एंड अशोक सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Well, you've also gone to Cannes, yaar. Wow, amazing. Congratulations for that. Very nice. Thank you so much for being here and all the very best for your future. Thank you again. Can we have a picture and picture.
हाँ सर शुरू करें.
This
सर सामने सर. बड़े सर.
Sonia Podar, the architect Sonia Podar, who's right here amongst us. I request her to please come up for love and felicitation that we have to honor. So sorry. भंडारी जी, आप अगर बात नहीं करेंगे तो ऐसे आधा अधूरा दिन लगेगा हमें. अरे माइक पे बात बोलिए ना, माइक चालू है. He's a cutie and a sweetheart.
I'm so lucky that today Mr. Ashok Damankar ji invited me here and shared the platform with the king of Bollywood. I am telling you, Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar is the best director, and the way he created the film, I can tell you the reality of life. You can get message, and it's learning for all. I wish him all the best. Madhur ji, thank you very much. And thank you, Ashok ji. All the best on behalf of United Beverage. I congratulate my moral support to you all. Film Award, Seri Award, Society Award. We are there for you. Thank you.
वाह, वसंत जी अगर हमारे झालं आता. माझं स्क्रिप्ट पण संपलंय आता.
We have been always wanting to show something very important. Unfortunately, we got this opportunity in society interior, and society interior has been always a great support to us. We have been associated with society interior since the inception of this magazine, and we have grown along with this magazine. A lot of learning has happened for us, and we are quite happy about it. Thank you so much.
Our journey is to the best projects and society interiors. We are extremely Yeah. We both acting, we both complement each other and we inspire each other to be better and better as a human being and as a creative person. We try to be better and better.
Before I would like to really thank you. He has done such a fantastic thing for us. It's a memory for life. This will be cherished till we are alive. Thank you. And now we will ask you. Yes. Media friends for coming here and covering this wonderful event. ये जो ड्रावर अनवीलिंग के बाद जो हुआ है, मेरे फ्रेंड, फैमिली, ये दोनों का क्रिएशन है. Really honored for us to carry these projects society arrangement. Great moment for us, having his story in mind. First, I could best wishes with him. ये जर्नी आगे चलती रहे, काफी जोर से चलती रहे, and ये जो कवर अंदर है उसके लिए मधुर खास करके निकाल कर